magnificent field from the college level. They're all battling it out for that one last slot in the quarterly finals. After that, it's one more slot to the grand finals. So good luck again, gentlemen. Let's go to our difficult round of questions. 400 points for every correct answer. We begin with mathematics. Mario, Christopher, and Marvin put their money together to buy sweepstakes tickets. Mario put in 20 pesos. Christian put in 25 pesos, or that was Christopher, put in 25 pesos, and Marvin put in 35 pesos. If they won 5,000 pesos, how much should Christopher get? Mario, Christopher, and Marvin put their money together to buy sweepstakes tickets. Mario put in 20 pesos, Christopher put in 25 pesos, and Marvin put in 35 pesos. If they won 5,000 pesos, how much should Christopher get? Time begins now, 30 seconds. This is an all-star cast right now. Highly competitive gentlemen from PUP, UST, Ateneo, and AMA Computer College battling it out for the last slot in next week's quarterly finals. Just one more week to the quarterly finals. No answer from our panel. 1,562.50 pesos is the answer. Science. Here's a problem again, so 30 seconds. Water from water from a faucet flows at an average rate of 2 liters per minute. How long will it take Anne to fill a 10-liter pail and 3 2-liter bottles if it takes 1 minute to change containers at the faucet? Water from a faucet flows at an average rate of 2 liters per minute. How long will it take Anne to fill a 10-liter pail and 3 2-liter bottles if it takes 1 minute to change containers at the faucet? Rolly Opiniano, your answer.
11 minutes.
Correct, or 660 seconds. History. According to the memoirs of Felipe Buencamino, who was the commander of the guards who killed General Antonio Luna, whom Buencamino named as the author of the assassination. According to Buencamino's memoirs, who was the commander of the guards who killed General Antonio Luna? Gerardo.
Agapito Bonson.
That's not correct. Orion?
Lazaro Macapagal.
Wrong? You'll tell us who he is later on, right? The answer is Pedro Castilla or Pedro Hanolino. General information. Name 2 of the 4 ethnic groups in the Sulu archipelago. 2 of the 4. Jerry. Just 2.
Tasaday in Kangkanay.
You said? Tasaday, that is wrong. Orion?
Tausug and Maguindanao.
Wrong. Rolly?
Tausug Sen Badjaus.
Tausug, Baujao, Bajau. That's correct. The other 2, Jerry, would you know? The Samals and the Yakans. Arts. Who composed the Kundiman, Nasaan Ka Irog? Jerry?
Nicanor Abelardo.
Nicanor?
Abelardo.
Correct. Mathematics. A 10-kilogram mixture of nuts sells for 700 pesos. Peanuts sell at 40 pesos a kilo, and cashew nuts sell at 90 pesos a kilo. How many kilos of each make up the mixture? You have 30 seconds. Now it's turned out to be a very tight race. A 10-kilogram mixture of nuts sells for 700 pesos. Peanuts sell at 40 pesos a kilo, and cashew nuts sell at 90 pesos a kilo. How many kilos of each make up the mixture? 1,200 for Orion. He's on top, but very close by now is Rolly with 1,000. 600 points each for Jerry and Gerardo. Boy, this is exciting. Let's find out who's going to win today, because this winner will move on to the quarterly finals. Ten seconds to go. And the first to buzz is Rolly. How many kilos of each make up the mixture?
6 kilos of peanuts and
Go ahead.
4 kilos of The other one.
The other nut. Whatever the other nut was. Wrong. The answer is, Rolly, 4 of peanuts, 6 of cashew. You got it mixed up. Science. Here's a problem. What is the molarity of the solution of sodium hydroxide if 12 grams of it are dissolved in 2 liters of solution? The molecular weight of NaOH is 40 grams per mole. What is the molarity of the solution of sodium hydroxide if 12 grams of it are dissolved in 2 liters of solution? The molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 40 grams per mole. Gentlemen, 30 seconds. All dressed up in their Sunday best. Our contestants today. Well, they should. It's make or break today. Orion, your answer.
300.
Wrong. The others can still steal. There's still a lot of time. Jerry.
6 grams per liter.
Wrong. 2 more to go. Time's up. 0.15 mole is the answer. History. The Third Reich was the Nazi designation for the regime in Germany under Hitler from January 1933 to May 1945. Name the presumed first German Reich. Gerardo.
The Roman Empire.
The?
Roman Empire.
Wrong. Orion.
It's the Holy Roman Empire.
The Holy Roman Empire. Correct. That was the first Reich. From 800 to 1806. General information. In feminist rhetoric, what is that in which one avoids the use of words that seem to give undue advantage or recognition to men, such as the use of the term, Orion?
Political correctness.
Wrong. Very close. Rolly.
Chauvinism.
Wrong. Let me finish. Okay? It is the use of words that seem to give undue advantage or recognition to men, such as the use of the term mankind instead of humankind. It falls under the political correct dictionary, or dictionary of lexicon of terms, but what is the exact term for it? Gerardo.
Sexism.
Sexism. On the contrary, the opposite. What is it called? Anyone? Gender sensitivity is the answer. So who was a Scottish monk, philosopher, theologian? Orion.
John Duns Scotus.
Once again.
John Duns Scotus.
That's correct. Now, what did he do? For our audience's sake, he turned against the orthodoxy of Thomas Aquinas, rejecting the idea of a necessary world, favoring the idea of God as absolute freedom capable of spontaneous activity. Heavy stuff, but that was Duns Scotus who was the author of that. Mathematics now, gentlemen, for 30 seconds. 3 bananas weigh as much as 4 oranges. 5 oranges weigh as much as 6 melons. How many bananas weigh as much as 8 melons? 30 seconds begins now. 3 bananas weigh as much as 4 oranges. 5 oranges weigh as much as 6 melons. Now, how many bananas weigh as much as 8 melons? How many bananas? The week after next, we'll be having our grand finals. We're inviting everyone to watch that. That's the culmination of every year here on Battle of the Brains. No answer from our contestants. 5 bananas was the answer. Science, question number 12. We are coming to an end. What do you call the sun's radiation that is received at the Earth's surface per unit area, given in megajoule per minute square? Okay, per meter square. What do you call the sun's radiation that is received at the Earth's surface per unit area, given in megajoule per meter square? Orion.
Solar rays.
Solar rays. Wrong. It's called insolation with an O. or incoming solar radiation? History. What war was the subject of the narrative written by Herodotus, the Greek Herardo,
Persian Wars.
or the Greco-Persian Wars? That's correct. Definitely correct. 2 more questions to go. Let's check out our scores. 2,000 for Orion, 1,000 for Rolly, 1,000 for Gerardo. Jerry has 600. And here is question number 14, general information. What term coined by Alvin Toffler refers to the disorientation suffered by Gerardo?
Future shock.
Bewildered by rapid changes in the social structure. Future shock. Okay. Question in the arts. Who wrote the novels Mga Panagit and Luha ng Buwaya? Gerardo.
Amado Hernandez.
You are correct. Is it enough? 1,800? Not enough. 2,000 for a We hope to see you again next year. Let's leave Orion now on stage for his bonus round, but not after this piece of information.